Good morning, Mulaski. I'm Terrance, and today is Friday, September 27th. Please stand for a Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are spicy chicken sandwich, takeout pepperoni pizza, fresh salad bar, and the grab and go. And your sides are salad, diced pear, and milk.
Girls basketball intramurals start next Tuesday. Any girls who want to play basketball are welcome to come to the gym after school from 2:20 to 3:30, Tuesdays and Thursdays starting next week.
Student Council is sponsoring Spirit Week next week. Monday is Shine Bright because we are too bright for bullying. Wear bright colors and neon colors.
On Tuesday, wear mismatched clothing to demonstrate individual uniqueness. Embrace diversity of being different and looking different.
Wednesday, we will team up against bullying and wear our favorite sports or team jerseys.
On Thursday, grab a friend or two and let's pair up against bullying and dress like someone else at Mulaski.
Friday is National Official Stomp Out Bullying Day, so let's join students all over the world and wear blue. This day is to show that Mulaski students want to stomp out bullying.
Show your school spirit and dress up next week.
Congratulations to the Mulaski Spelling Bee champion.
6th grader Joel.
7th grader Camille.
8th grader Lakyla.
Congratulations to the overall winner, Joel.
If you see these students in the hallway, give them a high five and tell them great job.
We do not have a late bus today, so please make sure you get to your bus immediately after the 6th period bell.
Thank you for tuning in today's MVP. Have a fantastic day. Why is it looking at me?